Maggie had lost all her fur to mange. She was covered in painful sores, and she was nothing but skin and bones. When she came into our care, her temperature was so low it wouldn't register on a thermometer. Her body could barely handle the fluids she desperately needed. Maggie was fading, but we were there to nurse her through the night, making sure she was warm and hydrated. We cared for this sweet girl as she became stronger, and we were able to save Maggie's life. But there are hundreds of other animals just like Maggie who need your support. Your donation right now will save a life.